Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to see who visits your Instagram profile. To do that, you should first open Instagram on your phone, and you have now two methods. The first method is to simply click on your story and add a story. Let's say I will add this one and click on close friends. Then after that, you can now choose which one of these people you want to see, if he's actually accessing or viewing your profile or not. Just check it. So here in my case, I just want to see if Fam Rodolph is viewing my profile or he sees my own stories or not. So I'm just gonna select him, then click on done, then click on the post icon on the bottom right side, choose the close friends. I have now only Fam Rodolph in it, then click on share. Now click on done, and you have the story that is only visible for Fam. And now you can actually see if he watched your story or not. And this is the first way. The second way is to go into your profile on the bottom right side and make your account professional by going to the top right side right here on these three bars, then choose settings, then click on account. And after that, you'll have to scroll down till you find an option saying switch to professional account. Here in my case, because I already have it switched to the professional one, I cannot have the option right here. And don't worry, this option is completely free. And once you have done that, you can go back to your profile. And by doing this method, you can simply see in the insights analytics who exactly is seeing your highlights or story. So here in my case, I will go back and go to the profile, then click on add new. I want to add a new highlight. Then I will choose the same photo that I have used in the story, then click on next, then click on done. And now when I go and click on the highlights and swipe up like this, it will show me here in the insights section who exactly is seeing the highlight. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.